MeteoMark Special Tropical Weather Bulletin. Let's take a look at the particulars here. Tropical System Arthur continues up the eastern coastline here, will threaten Cape Hatteras the most with beach erosion, coastal flooding, as well as wind gusts on the order of 85 to 90 miles per hour as this system strengthens to a Category 1 storm, likely to take almost very much a direct hit here along the Cape Hatteras, North Carolina area. The Barrier Islands could really be beat up by this storm Thursday into the 4th of July holiday here. And then the system will eject here across portions of just southeast of Long Island, New York City, southeast of Nantucket. The center should also pass just southeast of Cape Cod and then continue on its way towards Nova Scotia. So those in Nova Scotia or eastern New Brunswick, both of them should also be keeping an eye on this system as it strengthens, but by this time it will become extratropical. It still will contain 80 to 85 mile per hour winds, that of a Category 1 hurricane. So that's to be said here. This system really getting a lot better organized, and we will continue to watch for the coastal flooding threat, tropical storm warnings, hurricane warnings also being issued here along portions of the coast, especially North Carolina, and for that matter, this system will pack a punch as it heads to the north and eventually the northeast. So heed those watches, warnings, advisories, and continue to watch for it here at MeteoMark. The other threat with this system will be the heavy rain. Let's take a look at that heavy rain problems here across portions of North Carolina, extending up towards portions of southeastern New England, and eventually Nova Scotia, New Brunswick. We could be seeing on the order of a solid 4 to 6 inches, mainly from eastern tip of Long Island, southeastward towards southeastern Virginia, Virginia Beach, Cape Hatteras area, the Outer Banks, extending northward towards Cape Cod. Could also get clipped with a solid 4 to 5 inches of rain, and then all the way up towards Halifax in Nova Scotia. We could end up with quite a bit of rain out of this system. So heed those flash flood warnings, coastal flood warnings. There will be a lot of flooding with this system, to say the least, whether you're on the coast or just slightly further inland. There will be some heavy rain further back inland here across portions of eastern Pennsylvania, eastern Maryland, New Jersey, as well as portions of Massachusetts and Connecticut. However, it won't be as bad until you get closer to the coast. New York City looks to dodge a major bullet with this system. However, you'll still get on the order of around 2 inches with this system. That's going to do it here at MeteoMark for the Special Tropical Weather Bulletin. Don't forget to like me on Facebook, MeteoMark. Subscribe to me on YouTube at MeteoMark.com. That's going to do it at MeteoMark.